Sharp feeling!
Why is that here? Dude, why are you filming this?
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I'll pop off when I...
Hey, good morning. So tonight we made a small trade to check the 10th trading day for the FTMO account, and today we will be waiting to receive the contract and sign it, and maybe we can get some funded trading action today. It's currently 6:30ish. I don't know if you can see that. So hoping for a good day. Let's make some coffee.
Good morning. So yesterday was quite a tough day for me because I just realized that we are getting funded, and some emotions came across me, but I hope that today I will balance myself and will start this new account with good vibes and following exactly the strategy we were backtesting and using until now. So until 2 p.m. we still didn't receive any credentials for the funded account, so now I would like to just make a recap of the trades that should be taken until now. So as you may know, we are trading only USD-JPY, Euro-JPY and USD versus Canadian dollar using the 5-minute strategy. And as I can see here, now I am on the 1-hour time frame. Being on a 1-hour time frame, I will not need this 13 EMA. So the cross to the downside is made, and starting with this candle, we should have been looking for sales in USD-JPY as soon as this candle closed the 8 EMA again. So I will mark this zone for sales. And now let's switch to the 5-minute time frame and see if there were any short trades to be taken here. Okay, as you can see here, this candle made the retouch, and we may have put here a short position 3 points below this week. Okay, stop loss 3 points above the candle that made the retouch, and actually this position would have been invalidated by this candle, which closed above the 21 EMA, so no trades here. Okay, now switching to the next pair we are used to trade. Okay, starting with somewhere 8 in the morning, we are near the charts, so I will mark the zone starting with this one. As you can see, the candle started and closed below the EMAs, so this is a legit zone for sales. And actually this zone was up until now when this candle made the retouch into the 8 EMA. Let's see on the 5-minute chart what would be our entries here. Okay, I can see that Euro-JPY has a pretty messy price action today. Okay, so this candle made the retouch into the 8 EMA, so we would put a sell order 3 points below this candle, short 3 points above this one, and actually we would have been triggered into this position right here by this candle, and then taken out by this candle. So this should have been a -1% position, but again we actually do not have yet the credentials for the funded account, so these are just simulations of what should have looked our trading day today. Okay, then I can see here that there were no retouches. Then these candles closed above the 21 EMA again, invalidated. But here I can see another sell position into 𝐿 again. So sell should be placed below this candle with the stop loss of 100 points. This is a quite long position. And again, this should be another loose on the 𝐿. And I think this is a quite emotional thing and an emotional way to start your funded account. But that's it, and you have to stick to the plan and to the strategy even if you get some losses in a row, because as you have seen in our back testings, this strategy works on long term, and as soon as at the end of the month we will get some really nice profits and results. There is no way to just get emotional of these two losses here. Okay, let's go to the third pair we used to trade again. Starting with this candle that started on actually there was an alert on USD Canadian dollar right here. Okay, so we are again here in a buy zone, and I can see a really nice uptrend in USD Canadian dollar. Okay, and switching to the 5 minutes time frame, I will search again here for trades, and as we can see right here, we should place a long position above this candle, 3 points below. It's perfect. Okay, let me check again where is this position starting. Actually, I missed the trade right here. As you can see, we were already into the green zone, and these candles made the retouch into the FTMO. Actually, this candle made the retouch. So as soon as the retouch was made, I should have placed here a long position above 3 points above this candle, of course, and 3 points below the candle that made the retouch should be the stop loss for this position. This is a really short position, and the one-to-one should have been just taken in a few moments. That's really nice. Okay, and actually the next candle triggers also the 2-to-1 position. So for this one, with the 1-to-1 and 2-to-1 position, we will be overall a plus 1.5%. Okay, going to the next one. Actually, here we've got a new retouch into the EMAs, so there should be a new entry above this candle here. But actually, we wouldn't take this trade because, as you may have seen in our backtesting, we never take the trades when the candle made the retouch and also is the highest candle from the previous 5. So even if it would be a great trade here, we actually try to avoid this kind of trades because in the real market there are a few times when this kind of entries works. Okay, and actually, as you can see here, this candle made the retouch, but I'm not really sure if the retouch was made also in the real market here. Oh, actually, yes. This candle made the retouch into the real market. I was quite doubting this this trade because sometimes the EMA is following the next candle, which is an impulsive one, and this is not the case here. So a new long position above this candle here with a tiny stop loss again. This is a really nice thing because these trades just go on so fast. Okay, and actually the next candle would have triggered our take profit and our first and our second take profit. So again, for this position we would have again a plus 1.5%. Again, because for the 1-to-1 position we would get 0.5%, and for the 2-to-1 we would get another 1%. Okay, going to the next trades. Okay. We have a new retouch here. And I think we can already place another long position above this candle here with the stop loss 3 points below the wick. And let's see what will happen next. Actually, this position got invalidated due to these candles that closed below the 21 EMA. But we are still in the buy zone, so maybe we would get some nice trades again here. Okay. The trading view is pretty laggy for the moment. Okay, I think here we've got a new retouch into the 8 EMA, so another buy position above this candle. Okay, and let's see if we get triggered. We are in this position now. Let's mark also the 1-to-1. Okay, so the 1-to-1 was hit, so now we are dragging the stop loss to the break even for the second position and also looking for scalings if it's the case. But again, this was actually, I don't know if we would took this position in real market, because in these 5 minutes the candle made the retouch and then also already have triggered us here. So this is quite I don't know, you may take this position in the real market or you may not. It depends on how fast you would execute the trades. So I will not mark it here because I want to be as realistic as possible with this. So again, you may have been in a second position here or you may have not been, but the initial position here was closed at break even, so only 0 plus 0.5% here. Okay, so overall until now on US dollar Canadian dollar we would be plus 3.5%. and minus 2% on the Euro JPY, meaning that until now, using this strategy today, we would have been a plus 1.5%.
Okay, so exciting times. It seems that we have a trade that is a potential take on the US dollar Canadian dollar. Let me just show you that on the TV. As you can see, this is the trade that we are supposed to take. Chris is calculating the trade details as we speak, and we will come back with further updates.
So here we've calculated the position. I'm going to place 2 buy stops with 2.66 lots. So this is the price for the long, and the stop loss will be set here. Okay, I will place this one. And as you can see, this position has a stop loss of minus $250, and I'm going to set again the second position now, because as you know, we have 2 positions opened, a 1-to-1 and a 2-to-1. So another buy stop right here.
Okay, so the trade on the US dollar Japanese yen has been invalidated, but we have a position that has been triggered and running. So the first trade that we took on the FTMO funded account will be on US dollar Canadian dollar. So fingers crossed and hope for the best.
Okay.
Okay, so the 1-to-1 has been hit. The 1-to-1 has been hit. So break even, no risk on the table for now. So it's okay. Dude, stop following us around. So the US dollar Canadian dollar trade ended up a full win, so we are now up 1.5% on our funded account. We decided to stop the position at 2-to-1 because of impending level. I'm not sure if you can see this. We have it marked on the chart right here. For the moment it seems to be pushing through, but we didn't want to take any risks. So so far the position has been closed at the standard 2-to-1. So we are now up just to be precise, $727 on our FTMO account. And I think we will call it a video. If further updates occur, we will update you in other videos. Until then, thanks for watching, and trade safe, and I don't know how you say it, trust the process.
And trust the process.
See you in our next videos, guys. Bye bye.